Looking for alternatives to NeverBounce for email list cleaning and finding? NeverBounce is a popular tool, but it only verifies existing emails and struggles with catch-all addresses. Plus, since being acquired by ZoomInfo, its pricing and features lean towards enterprise users. If you need to find new contacts or want better value, several alternatives stand out. StartupHub offers a free tool that finds and verifies emails from a name and domain in seconds, with no account needed. NeverBounce provides a comprehensive suite including validation, finding, and monitoring tools, with credits that never expire. Million Verifier is a top choice for pure bulk verification at a very low cost. ClearOut offers a balance of price and features, including email finding. And Kickbox is ideal for developers needing predictable API responses and a quality score. When choosing an email list cleaning and finding tool, consider if you need just verification or also contact discovery, and compare pricing and features to fit your workflow.